Hello guys, here I am Pragya Jain, legal intern in Lexis & Company, and come here to discuss about Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. Basically, Article 14 talks about the equality before the law or equal protection of the law. Article 14 of the Constitution of India reads as under: the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or equal protection of the law within the territory of India. What does it mean? It means that Article 14 talks about two approaches. One, equality before law, which is a negative approach taken from the English law and defined in the Article 14 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. According to this, law should be treated equally, each and everyone. Doesn't matter the position of a person while giving a judgment. For example, there is no difference between a government employee or a clerk while giving a judgment. Now talks about the Article 14 Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution, which talks about equal protection of law. Which talks about equal protection of law is basically an American concept, and it is a positive approach. Universal concept is not applicable in Article 14 because there is a need of differentiation and classification. Let's take an example. Family has a two child, one is of 1 year and other is of 10 years. All the family members decided that they should be treated equally. Is it possible? No, because they both have a different needs and want. The expenses is different, the demands are different, so the classification and the differentiation is important. At last, I want to say that right to equality needed to be applied in a practical sense so that no one is deprived from their rights. Thank you. Please like my video and give feedback. Subscribe channel. Let's click. Lastly, this video does not select any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video only for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.